Is doing makeup for a very...
Yung kailangan, di ba yung parang nabubula dito?
Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today po, gagawin po natin ngayon, as you can see in the title, we're going to explore the makeup trolley of my brother. For those of you who don't know, my brother is a makeup artist. He's been working in the industry for almost 2 years now. Kaya po namin ginawa yung video na ito para ipakita sa inyo na kung ano po yung nabili niya during his career. If you're interested to see the products, keep on watching! Ang unang po namin papakita mga products are products na ginagamit po namin bago po kami mag-apply ng makeup. Yung una po namin product na ipapakita is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Ito po yung ginagamit namin to remove excess oil, etc. So, next po na product na ginagamit namin is this face mask. Any face mask of your choice will do po. Ito po binili namin sa Shopee, by the way, hashtag na sponsored. As you can see naman po, I'm wearing makeup ngayon. Kung interesado po kayo makita yung tutorial, we will upload po a video soon. Please check it out. So after nyo po mag-face mask, next po namin ginagamit is this face mist by Badescu. I-spray nyo lang po siya and then you go wait for a couple of minutes for it to dry. So after po mag-dry ng face mist, we used e.l.f. Poreless Primer. After we use po the primer, we use Makeup Primer Spritz by Australis. As you can see. Next up po is foundation. May iba't ibang klase po kami ginagamit ng foundation like Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade of 120 and 128 and also 238. And meron rin po kaming Super Stay by Maybelline in the shade Honey and Natural Beige and also Warm Nude and Classic Ivory. Aside from Maybelline products, meron din po kaming MILLANI in the shade Light, Tan, Amber, and Natural. Meron pa po kaming dalawang brands ng foundation hindi pa po namin nagagamit. Ito po yung Ordinary at also L'Oreal po. If gusto niyo po ng review nitong dalawang products, comment na po kayo down below. Sa loose powder naman po, yung ginagamit po ng kuya ko is minimix niya po lahat ng loose powder na meron kami. At ito po yung mga brands na meron po kami. Ito po, Airspun and Ellana. Tapos po, ito po yung DYS Translucent. And also, Beili. And Laura Mercier. So, sa eyebrows naman po, yung ginagamit po ng kuya ko is LA Girl Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. Yan po. Next naman po is contour. Yung ginagamit po ng kuya ko is Pro Artist Bronzer Palette by Style Essentials at Studio Pro by BH Cosmetics. At sa concealer naman po, meron po kaming Fit Me, which is commonly used po, and also we have L'Oreal Full Wear. So sa blush naman po, meron po kaming SanSan, which is very affordable sa HPC. And meron rin po kaming Bloom Matte Blush by Detail. And meron rin po kaming Nichido. Sa eyeshadow naman po, we have po 7 palettes. So, mag-start po tayo dito sa my Nubian 2 by Juvia. This is for the palette, colors, and this is the front. And next naman po, we have the Warrior by Juvia. And this is the palette. And meron po kaming Morphe X James Charles palette. And meron po kami Morphe 35M palette. another Morphe 335-2 palette. And meron po kami Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette by Morphe. Morphe no? I know, but BH Cosmetics. For last po, meron po kaming Morphe palette again in 35 OS. So for the highlighter naman, meron po kaming Becca. And this is the palette. I think the colors. And next naman po is Tarte Pro Glow and Blush. Duo na po siya. And this is the colors. And of course, everything would be useless without these amazing makeup brushes. And also this makeup sponge. Now for the lipstick naman po, since po sobrang dami po naming lipstick, kukuha na lang po ako ng samples that we have here. Meron po tayong the Power Max in shade Noir Red and Plum Perfection by Maybelline. And meron rin po tayong Colourette. And lip gloss by EB Advanced Beili Lip Gloss. Tsaka meron po ito, Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. So, for the liner naman po, yung latest po namin ginagamit is Graph Ink Liner by Careline. Very affordable lang po siya. You can find it in Watsons or Isabella. I forgot to mention po pala na last week bumili po kami ng dalawang bagong contour sticks na hindi pa po namin try in Careline po yung isa, and then Bench Beauty. Kung gusto nyo pong makita yung review nito, comment lang po below. For the false eyelashes naman po, meron po kami binili sa online, which is Shidi Shangpin. Maganda po siya at meron po siya iba't ibang klase. Meron po siyang makapal at manipis. Close up. And lastly, we have setting spray by Skindinavia and L'Oreal. Before this video ends, nakikita na naman po, meron po tayong trolley na hindi ko po alam kung saan binili ng kuya ko, kaya ilalagay na lang po namin sa description kung saan nyo po siya mabibili at magkano po siya. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos.